Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on maps download on metered connections in Windows 10 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on maps download on metered connections in Windows 10 computers, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings icon. Click on Apps. In left pane, you will find an option Offline Maps. Click on Offline Maps. And you will find an option here Metered Connections, and by default it's turned off. If this is turned off, maps only download on free wireless LAN or unlimited cellular data. By default it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now metered connection is turned on to download maps on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.